we are discussing about the body dimensions. Okay, here if uh, man stand in this position, okay, uh, while taking oath and all those things, okay, in that position, then whatever this dimension is there, it will be 780 mm. Then average dimension of adult female, here whatever total height is there, average height is 16 uh, 10 mm. Then eye level is at 1505 mm, and then whatever shoulder height is there, it will be at 1310 mm. Okay, so if average female stands in this position, then whatever horizontal distance is there between two uh, extreme points of a fingers, then 1605 mm will be there. And in this position, if she stands, then the distance in between extreme edge of the finger and backside of the head, it will be 705 mm. Okay, and generally whatever space distance is there, okay, it will be 620 mm, like this here. Then male is at sitting position, and here female is at sitting position. Okay, so here uh, we should know the height of sitting level. Okay, means uh, we have to we are going to design the chairs and all those things, then we should know the standard things. Okay, or whenever we are going to decide the height of sofa set, uh, as well as any chair. Okay, so here whatever this height is there from the surface level to height where uh, male or female will sit, okay, that vertical distance will be around 440 mm. Okay, generally we are keeping as a 45 centimeter, that is nothing but the 450 mm. Then after that, whatever height is there where we are placing our hand, okay, uh, in a sitting position, it should be at 245 mm above the sitting level. Okay, आपण जिथं बसतोय तिथून हे सिटिंग लेवल पासून हे 245 mm डिस्टन्स वरती घेतलं जे काही चेअरचे जे काही आर्म आहेत, ओके, ते आपले किंवा आपले हात जे आहेत ते आपण तिथं टेकवण्यासाठी सपोर्ट प्रोव्हाइड करतोय. ओके, देन आफ्टर दॅट, आफ्टर सिटिंग, uh, here whatever height is there of a shoulder of a average man is an 595 mm is there. Then after that, eye level 790 mm is there, and height above sitting level, okay, of that average man is 900 mm. So here uh, whatever dimension is there uh, of chair, or how much space is required to sit properly in this way, uh, that dimension is 495 mm is there. Okay, so this to this, from this point to this point. Okay, so whatever we can say width of the chair is there, it should not be more than 495 mm, because of if it is more than 495 mm, then the adult man will not sit comfortably in that chair. Okay, so we have to take care about it. Then after that, whenever no, adult man uh, sit in this position, then whatever dimension is required, okay, that is 1090 mm is required. Okay, so here जर काही समजा एखाद्या वेळेस जो काय पाय वगैरे आहे तो आपल्या सिटिंग लेवलला हॉरिझॉन्टल मध्ये आणला, ब्रिंग केला, तर त्याचं जे काय वॉट एव्हर टोटल डायमेन्शन इज देअर, हॉरिझॉन्टल डायमेन्शन इज रिक्वायर्ड, ओके, वॉट एव्हर स्पेस इज रिक्वायर्ड, that is 1090 mm is required, okay. With the consideration of uh, adult female, okay, here uh, generally whatever vertical, 1 minute, two, okay, means whatever passages we are living, okay, for the circulation purpose, according to that here we are going to consider standard dimensions, aging width suitable for short distances or occasional use, okay. So that this dimension should not be less than 350 mm, okay. Then after that 1% width, uh, 750 clearance would give comfort for various postures, okay, means whenever a person while traveling through the passage, uh, then whatever dimension is there, it should be 550 mm to 600 mm, okay. So uh, whatever distance is there, it should be 750 mm for getting the comfortable, okay. Then in another case, here normally used by one person but occasionally passing required, means whenever two persons are traveling through the passage on the uh, occasionally, okay. So the dimension is required in between two walls is 900 mm, okay. So here whenever two persons use that passage in the same direction, whenever they are traveling in the same direction, then that dimension should be required in between 1050 mm to 1200 mm. And here two peoples are uh, traveling or moving in opposite direction, okay, and for comfortably, then that dimension is required as a 1200 mm to 1400 mm in between two walls, okay. So these are the some standard dimensions are required at the time of deciding the passages, means uh, whenever we are going to decide the passage width, okay, that is nothing but the distance in between two walls, okay, horizontal distance. Then here some other images are there, okay. Space requirement between walls for easy movement, single person is there, okay, and if moves in this direction, okay, from one side only, okay. कधी कधी आपण ऑकेजनली या कंडिशन मधून पण जातोय बघा, तर ते डायमेन्शन जे आहे ते किती रिक्वायर्ड आहे, 375 एम रिक्वायर्ड आहे. इफ here if we consider the man is moving in this way, then 625 mm dimension is required. And if we are going to consider uh, position of the man is like this, then 875 mm distance is required. And here one person is standing in this position and another is at this position, then 1000 mm dimension is required. Then here two persons are there which are moving in a same direction, then its dimension 1150 mm is required. So here if three persons are moving in the same corridor in the same direction, then at least 1700 mm distance we have to left, okay. And if four persons are there, then it that distance we have to increase it, and the distance should be 2250 mm, okay. So these are the some standard dimensions are there regarding the body, okay. So you can see here for the different positions or for different combinations, how much space required is there. Okay, generally whatever pace is there, okay, the distance in between two, uh, generally we are measuring the horizontal distance in between 2 points by pacing method also. म्हणजे पावलांनी पण आपण काय करतोय तर दोन होरिझोंटल डिस्टन्स, जे काही ठराविक पॉईंट आहेत त्याच्यामधलं होरिझोंटल डिस्टन्स जे आहे ते आपण पेसिंगनं पण कधी कधी मेजर करतोय बघा. वॉट एव्हर जनरली द pacing is there, okay, or whatever distance is there of a space is 750 mm. We have to consider the distance of one pace as a 750 mm. कधी कधी क्रिकेट खेळताना वगैरे आपण काय करतोय तर दोन स्टंप्स मधलं जे काही डिस्टन्स आहे ते आपण पावलानेच मेजर करतोय बघा, म्हणजे पावलं टाकत जातोय, तर ते एका पावलामध्ये डायमेन्शन जे आहे ते किती राहते तर 750 mm राहते. तर त्या पद्धतीने आपण काय करू शकतो, ज्या काही रिक्वायर्ड थिंग्स आहेत, ओके, रिगार्डिंग पेस, we can go for it. Okay, whenever man with baggage in both the hands, then here uh, 900 mm dimension is required. Okay, generally 250 mm this dimension or width we are going to consider of the bag. Okay, whatever this dimension is there, that dimension we are going to consider as a 250 mm. जर काही माणूस चाललेला आहे आणि दोन्ही साईडला दोन्ही हातामध्ये दोन बॅगा आहेत तर त्याला लागणारा डिस्टन्स किती आहे तर 900 mm स्पेस इज रिक्वायर्ड.